guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be stuffing my bonus check number 2. So yeah, and before I go into the video, if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate your presence here. On this channel I do cash envelope stuffing, savings challenges, and as well on a debt-free journey. If this is anything that is of interest to you, then consider subscribing and join the family. I would love to have you here. To my returning subscribers, you are welcome back. Thank you so much for always coming back. So today I'm going to be stuffing, like I said, I'm going to be stuffing my bonus check number 2, and let me set up real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm done setting up and I have a total of $1,057 here. That is not the total amount I was paid, but that's just how much I'm stuffing today. So I have $1,057 here, and I'm going to be stuffing my travel binder. I'm going to be stuffing some of my sinking funds, my personal binder, as well as my kids' envelope. So yeah, so without wasting any more time, let me get right. I'm going to start with my travel binder. And I have my note here on the side right here to guide me through. So I'm going to be putting $200 into travel binder today. The next video you see up after this cash stuffing is probably going to be my travel binder video. So I'm going to add $200 to the travel binder, and today I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 40, 60, 80, 6, 20, 40, 60, 80, 7, 20, 40, 60, 80, 8, 20, 40, 50. I have $850. I think I am ready to stuff this binder. So I'm going to be stuffing this binder right after this video. So I don't know when this video is going to come up, maybe next week. So be on the lookout for my travel binder stuffing. Yes, so that is that about my travel binder. The next binder I'm stuffing today is my personal binder. I have been stuffing a lot in this binder lately because I just discovered that I've not been paying a lot of attention to myself. So as I'm taking care of everybody else, I want to take care of myself as well. So I think I'm going to get this out. It's just, yeah, it's better if I take it out of the binder. So I'm going to stuff the total. Andrew, I'm recording.
The phone is gone.
I'm recording.
The phone is gone.
I'm recording, Angel.
The phone is gone.
So I'm stuffing a total of $100 into my personal binder, and I have 6 envelopes. So I'm gonna put allowance. I'm gonna put $20 in my allowance, and self-care is gonna get $20. I'm just piling this money up in here until when I need it. I just got my nails done last week, so I don't need very much right now. Clothes set is gonna get $20, and yeah, I've not been able to go clothes shopping. I've always been talking about going, but I never have time to do anything. Shop local is also going to be getting $20, and so I'm going to put savings. I'm going to put $10 into savings and Moritami, but then I need to break up $10, so I'll be right back. I'm going to change one of my binders here. Okay, so I'm back with my change. So I'm going to put $10 into my savings. And 10 into Moritami. So there you go. So I'm going to put this back in here. I always get confused where the front is and where the back is. I don't know. I think this is the front. Savings binder is where I keep envelopes for my kids. I have been neglecting these envelopes for a while now. So I'm going to start back adding something to it. Even if it's small, I need to have something to it. And I need to make change again because I need $10. So I'm going to be putting $10 in this envelope, but then I'll take 10 out. So I put it 20 here to replace it. So each of them will be getting $10 each. I mean, I said each 2 times, guys. So this $10 will go into this envelope. So I'm gonna try as much as possible to be stuffing these envelopes every single time that I do a cash stuffing, so I don't neglect this savings for the kids. So my third child is gonna get $10 as well, like everybody else, and then the last one, the little one, is getting this $10 as well. So yeah, from now on I will make sure to stuff, even if it's $1, I will stuff something in here. And while I'm in here, I'm gonna go ahead and do my savings challenges right now, since I'm already in this binder. So the first of my savings challenge that I'm stuffing today is gonna be my penny challenge, and I'm gonna be stuffing the one for August and September, which is $70.68 and $77.55. So I'm gonna be rounding this up, so that will be 71 and 78, which should be a total of, guys, you know I'm very poor at math. I don't know my math. So 71 plus 78 will be $149. So I am so glad I'm almost done with my challenges, guys. I'm super excited. When I finish these challenges, I'm going to be taking up the 100 envelope challenge, which will take me throughout the year and up to next year. I'm so excited for that. And I think I'm going to finish this challenge in the next 1 month or so. So $149 goes into this envelope. Yes, $149. So 1, 20, 40, 45, 6, 7, 8, and $9 goes in here. And I think I'm going to be doing a bill swap so I can take some money to the bank, because looks like we're having too much money at home, so I need to make a bill swap and take some of this money to the bank. Yes, so yeah, I can't wait to finish this challenge as well, so I can take up another challenge. Super excited. And I'm not gonna count this right now for the sake of this video. I don't want it to be too long, guys. So that is that. The next challenge and the last one I'm doing today, because I finished my 12-month challenge, in case you don't know. So I'm not going to be doing that anymore. I finished this. This is complete. I have my $1,050 in here already. If you're following me, you know that I mentioned that I finished it. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1,000, 20, 40, 50. So I have $1,050 in here that is already in the bank. This challenge is complete and done. So the next one is 52-week challenge. So the next one is 52-week challenge. So I'm going to be stuffing number 55. I think I'm going to be doing about 6 in this challenge. About 6 weeks today. I'm doing 55, I'm doing 48. This challenge is also almost done. I'm so excited. Another 48 should be somewhere down here. Then followed by 42. And I will do 2 30s. Yeah, there's one here and the other one is over here. And this one. This money is supposed to be going towards my kitchen renovation. I want to change my kitchen countertop. I'm not sure if this is going to be enough money, but we'll see. So I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks in this challenge, which is going to be a total of $253. So I'm going to put $253 into 52-week challenge. 250, 1, 2, and 3. So my 52-week challenge is getting $253 today. Yeah, I definitely need to do a bill exchange. I need to do a bill exchange. This is getting too bulky. I mean, well, it's not getting bulky, but I don't want to keep this at home. for so many reasons. Yeah, they're safer in the bank and they're gonna make me some money. So yeah, so that is that about my savings challenges. And then the last thing I'm going to be stuffing will be my sinking funds. I'm going to be stuffing just 4 envelopes in here today. Only 4 envelopes. The first one will be my car envelope. I mentioned in my last cash stuffing video that we are going to be spending some money on our cars. My husband came back yesterday finally. Yes. So we're going to be fixing our cars. One car needs a battery, so I'm putting $200 into this envelope. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 40, 60, 80. I have $580 in this envelope right now. I'm not sure this is going to be enough, but at least we have something. So the next envelope will be back to school. I want to finish stuffing my back to school, and I think this is going to be it because my budget for back to school is $500, which includes school supplies as well as school pictures throughout the year. So I am going to be stuffing $75 into back to school. $50, $70, and $5. So $5 goes into back to school. Now let's see how much we have here now. I believe this is going to fully fund this envelope. Let me see if I have $500. 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 80. 4, 20, 40, 60, 80. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $500. Yes. So now my back to school is fully funded. Yay, I'm so excited. So now I don't have to stuff this for the rest of the year. For the rest of this school year. I'm going to start back stuffing this envelope in January. I'm not stuffing this anymore until January. I'm super excited, and I'm going to put in the money that's meant for this envelope into something else. So back to school is fully funded. Now the next one is going to be fun. Fun today is going to get $40. Our fun envelope is getting the rest of the money out here, which should be $40. So 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So yeah, fun is getting $40 today. And I will be updating my trackers off camera. I am super tired now. I don't want this video to be too long. So that is going to be the end of this cash stuffing video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I would love to see you in my next video. Bye bye.